Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Chargebee to your payment account step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing funds from Chargebee to your payment account, log into your Chargebee account. Navigate to the settings section found in the left sidebar of the dashboard. Scroll down and click on the Payments tab. Under the Payments tab, locate the Bank Details section. If you haven't added your bank account details, click on Add Bank Account. Fill in the required fields with your bank information, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Once your bank details are entered, click Save to store the information securely. Now, return to the main dashboard and click on the Reports section. Select the Payouts option from the Reports menu. You will see a list of available funds ready for withdrawal. To initiate a withdrawal, click on the specific payout amount you wish to withdraw. Review the payout details to ensure accuracy, then click on Withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal by following the prompts. After confirming, you will receive a notification that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Typically, it takes a few business days for the funds to reflect in your bank account. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the Payouts section at any time. Once your funds have been successfully transferred, you will receive a confirmation email from Chargebee. Follow these steps to efficiently withdraw your earnings from Chargebee to your payment account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.